roll the fight. Let's go. Let's do this. We're gonna beat some people up. You know, today's feeling like that kind of day. You know, we're gonna go in some things. We're doing pretty good. We're at a score of 1477, which is my highest. I hope I don't lose it. Today let's do a challenge. I can only do jabs and crosses, so no hooks, no overhands, just jab, jab, cross, jab, cross, jab, cross, jab, cross. We're gonna do this challenge, and we're gonna see how well this goes.
Seconds out.
It's a pequeño one. He's tiny, eh? No kidding.
Get ready. Let's go.
All right, let's jab, jab and cross, jab and cross. I want to hook him so bad. Good hit. Got him. Knockout with just jabs and crosses.
3,
maybe 2 overhands, but
5,
we're
6,
cooking.
7.
Did he quit? Oh no, the round ended. The round ended. All right, I'll see you next round. All right, next round.
Ready? Let's fight.
Jabs and crosses only. Got him. Us. This guy's spamming. Shoot, good hit. Got him. Another knockout, baby.
2,
So
3.
exhausted.
Okay.
Final round,
get ready.
final round.
Fight.
I have to box like a sissy. Oh! 2-hit KO
2,
on the 2 crosses.
3,
It's crazy.
4, 5. You all right?
That was like the first 3 seconds of the round.
Okay, ready?
What the heck is he doing? He quit. He quit, I think. Hold on, we're gonna see. Hey! Win by forfeit, but otherwise, score-wise, let's see. Hold on.
Ladies and gentlemen,
10, 20. Yeah, I won by 5.
the winner is the blue corner.
Wow, I did 2,000 damage. Let's go! Don't mess with the jabs or the crosses. That was one fight. That was fun. I don't know how long this whole recording is, but if it isn't long enough, I'm gonna do another fight. So you might see another fight, you might not. I don't know, just depends on how I feel.